Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Lakeview Trail here at Elk Island National Park. Behind me out there, you see Astotin Lake. If you're interested in going to Astotin Lake this summer, check out my complete guide to Astotin Lake on my channel, where I kayak around the entire lake, see some wildlife, etc. Right now, this is just a short trail. It's right around Astotin Lake. You can access it from either of the parking lots here. The first part of it is paved, very easy for strollers, senior citizens, etc. And then after that there it turns into a more dirt trail where there'll be a sign. But I'll show you that as we go along. Hey guys, behind me now you can see Raspberry Island, one of the many islands located within Astotin Lake at Elk Island National Park. The Lakeview Trail that I'm currently on is about 3.6 kilometers and it does loop around. Real nice trail. There's a potential for wildlife. I have seen bison down here, as long as some small animals like beavers and muskrats, and lots of shorebirds. Hey guys, a little bit past that island I was just showing you guys. Just come down and go around a turn, and then you come to where it says push to access the main part of the trail. This here is a pretty low-key trail. It's not as popular as some of the others, so it's really nice just for a short walk or anything like that there. So it doesn't take very long. Quick little loop, see some wildlife. All right, well, I'm gonna head down. We'll see what we can find. Hey guys, and after that bridge, you'll see from the parking lots, trail come up along here, followed up. Now I'm currently here. If you're coming in the morning, I suggest you go around this route here, and back out. Same with the evening. Throughout the day, your best chance is to come along this way, where you might see bison coming along through this area here. Hey guys, the view you currently see behind me on the Lakeview Trail is a great spot to watch the sunrise, sunset, as well as to see the northern lights. At least it was before they put the curfew in for 11 o'clock. But if they removed the curfew, or you want to see a nice sunrise or sunset, this bench along the Lakeview Trail is an ideal location. Just be mindful of others, so if you see someone here with a prime lens doing a long exposure, you know, be respectful of them. Be respectful of anyone you see on the trail. But this is quite the view. Pelicans come in here too in the late spring, early summer. It's a great spot to view pelicans. Hey guys, this is a great spot here to find ducks in the early spring. You can see on the map right here where the little blue dot is, just north of Raspberry Island. this whole little stretch right in along here, coming down along Raspberry Island, is a great spot in the spring to see young ducks as well as pelicans down there. Hey guys, one good thing about this trail too is that if you are hiking here in the summer, or actually any time of the year, you get some nice reflections from the shadows, so it kind of adds to the ambiance of the hike. Lots of squirrels in here. I've seen some grouse a few times. See lots of elk droppings, but never seen an elk in here. Your best bet if you want to to see elk is Elk Lake early in the morning, or the Bison Trail. And when you walk in, go clockwise, as in go left. That'll be your best chance. I will be having a video coming up on the Bison Trail, and then I'll be doing a complete guide to Elk Island National Park. And these trails here as well that are covered in snow when I hike them, I will also show you them in whatever season is best to hike them, whether it be spring, summer, or fall. The ones I chose to hike in the wintertime was because they're well worth hiking in the wintertime. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you farther on down the trail. Hey guys, well, I made it back, as you can see here. I'm currently back here. It's a great hike, especially in the morning and the evening there, to see wildlife. Just a short 3.6-kilometer hike, access from the Astotin Lake parking lot, or the entrance, or the parking lot just below where you put your kayaks in. Short hike. Highly recommend doing it if you haven't done it already. Remember to like and subscribe, share this with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, put it down there. If there's anything you'd like to know more about a hike in Elk Island National Park, just let me know. You can always check them out on my website at backcountryviews.com, or if you want to see purchase some photography, you can check out backcountryviews.ca. All right guys, well, I'll see you next time right here on Backcountry Views.